Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a lookalike audience using Facebook Ads Manager on your PC in 2025. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. This particular tutorial helps you target the new people similar to your best customers. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for adsmanager.facebook.com. Once you are here on this page, you need to provide your Facebook login credentials and you need to simply log in into your account. Now, the thing that you need to make sure is that you are in that particular ad account of yours, the one where your original audience or pixel is stored. Now, once you are here, your dashboard will look something like this. Over here, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on audiences. Here you will see the existing options like custom audience, saved audience, and here we have the option of lookalike audience. So here you need to simply click on the create a lookalike audience, give the lookalike source over here. You can just select any of the existing or the data source here. After that, you need to provide the audience size here. So after providing the audience size, you can just use this slider in order to select that. Then you can click on this create audience option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this way your lookalike audience will be created on Facebook. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more digital marketing tutorials. You can also drop a comment if you want a video on the custom audiences next. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.